Hi, Bev again with another video. And this one is on something I call weight leakage. Keep in mind that your body has hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of muscles, and they all work together to help out with movement. So there are some indisputable facts about movement. All movement involves joints. Bending a joint is always going to use the muscles and the connective tissues. That's what's attached to that joint. Muscles are shortened or lengthened to make that movement, and it happens on both sides of the joint. Okay? The more joints you use, the more muscles you're going to get involved in that exercise. So normally exercises have a primary goal. So for example, tricep extensions, you're after the triceps, right? But don't kid yourself. When you bend at the elbows, your biceps, your forearms, all of that kind of stuff is involved. And if you're doing a multi-joint exercise, let's take squats, then you're bending at the ankle, the knees, and the hips. So there's a lot going on, right? And you can always use more weight when you've got more joints involved. So what do I mean by muscle leakage? Let's take bicep curls. You see people, they're swaying and bouncing, or they're swinging their arms up, to get that weight up. Well, they're involving a lot of different joints. If you're bouncing, you're bringing in the hips and the knees. If you're swaying, you're bringing in the shoulders. So weight leakage, these biceps don't have to do much work at all. All sorts of other muscles are helping. So be careful what joints you use. Only use the joints you need to use. See ya.